it's your girl Paula Marie. Hello, it's your girl Paula Marie, aka the EbonyBizDiva, aka the EbonyBizDiva. And today we are talking about how you can attract your clients, right? Like, how do you really grow your tribe? How do you stop wasting your time checking for people who are not checking for you and deliver all of your attention, right, to those that are definitely checking for you, right? And one of the ways that you can do that is to deliver value, right? So how do we deliver value? Like, we don't want to give the goods away. We're nervous about people taking what we got, like our jazz, our snaz, like all the goods that we deliver. Like, we just don't want to give them the awesome sauce for free. And so it's like, well, how do I deliver value, right, in attracting my ideal client and not over deliver so that they feel like they don't need to pay me for my services, right? Well, let me tell you, it's a slippery slope. It's a slippery slope because there's a shift that needs to happen in our mindset in order for us to open up Pandora's box of wonder, right? And so there are so many ways you can deliver value, but let me tell you this. You can never deliver too much value because your clients are still going to need you, your products, your services, right? In order to get the whole desired effect that they are searching for. So let me tell you one of the ways that you can make sure that what you're delivering in these internet streets is clearly valuable on the market to your potential ideal client. So let's go through the 1, the 2, and the 3. All right. Hello, it's your girl Paula Marie. Hello, it's your girl Paula Marie, aka the EbonyBizDiva. Everyone about how amazing your products and your services are, right? Instead of trying to wow everybody that you see in these internet streets, you actually just sit back, right? You chill, and you listen. Yes, because when you listen, you hear their pain points. You hear the things that they require and desire for themselves, right? For their life, for their family, right? For their way of just moving through the day. What are their hopes? What are their dreams? What are the things that are keeping them from those hopes and those dreams? What are the things that's keeping them from having a very fulfilling day? Let's get into it. So I want you to listen, right? And listening is going to do two things, two things, two things, right? Number one, it's going to weed out the people that are not for you. It's going to shine a light bulb on those that are not your tribe. It's going to save you an huge amount of time, right? Because instead of you trying to wine and dine them and wow them and shabam them, you're just going to listen, delete, and keep it pushing, right? That's what listening will do. Listening will also tell you the exact pain point that they're experiencing, right? Like if it's that I have, severe dry skin in the wintertime and I can't combat it, and your body butters are the only thing that will help me with that. Well, they just told you what their huge pain point was and how you should deliver the information to them, right? Instead of saying, oh, I've got a 2-for-1 sale, talk about, hey, in the month of January and February, we are really working on our ginger turmeric because the ginger is really healing and helping to regenerate skin cells. And the turmeric is going to help heal the epidermis. Yeah, that's how you do that thing, right? So listen. Now, the second way that you can make sure that what you're creating is really going to deliver value, right? Is to ask. And a lot of times we as creators, as business owners, as entrepreneurs, like we just want to act like we got all the answers, honey, and we just don't want to ask any questions. But I'm gonna need you to ask, okay? Just ask. Like survey, you know, a post, right? Or just ask. Just say, hey, ask, because then you'll get a wealth of information that you didn't know that will help you in organizing what's really important to your consumer, what's really important to their bottom line, what's going to make or break them purchasing and doing business with you. So simply ask, all right? And just simply ask. And then make sure, number 3, this is important. Make sure that when you listen and you ask, right? When you listen and you ask, when you listen, when you ask, when you listen, when you ask, make sure that you put all of that information together to deliver something that solves one problem, right? It doesn't talk about how amazing you are. It doesn't brag about how amazing you are. It actually solves a problem. Like solve the problem. Like solve it. Solve the problem, right? Because once you solve one problem, they will be back for you to solve more problems. Yes, that's what we want, right? So make sure that when you are delivering value, make sure that the value is delivering and solving problems. Like we are slaying problems in these internet streets, right? That is how you deliver value without giving away all the goodness that you have. Because, I mean, you're so smart and you've got so many like tips and tricks and products that solve problems in these internet streets. And so you can solve one little tiny problem, right? Like you can solve one problem. I'm pretty sure you can solve a problem. So just solve the problem, right? And then come back and let me know how that thing worked out for you. Let me know how it worked out for you. All right. That's all I got today. It's your girl, Paula Marie, AKA the Ebony Biz Diva. And don't forget to serve value in these internet streets. Okay, honey? All right. I'll see you next time. Bye.